Hey there, fellow learners. Today we're diving into a question that's got everyone talking. Will robots be grading your homework in the future? Will artificial intelligence replace teachers altogether? As always, the answer is nuanced and complicated, but one thing's for sure. The world of education is on the brink of some pretty major changes, thanks to the rise of AI. From virtual tutors that personalize your learning experience to smart systems that grade essays in seconds, AI is already making its mark in classrooms around the world. And as these technologies get even more sophisticated, it's only natural to wonder how they'll shape the future of learning. Will teachers become obsolete, or will AI simply become another tool in their ever-growing toolkit? Join me as we explore the exciting and sometimes daunting possibilities of AI in education. We'll separate hype from reality, debunk some myths, and hopefully spark some interesting conversations along the way. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, or maybe just ask Siri to hold on to that thought, and let's dive in. As we speak, classrooms are undergoing a digital revolution. Remember those clunky old computer labs with dial-up internet? Yeah, those days are long gone. Now we're talking about virtual reality field trips, AI-powered tutoring systems that adapt to your learning style, and educational apps that make learning feel more like a game than a chore. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized learning plan, tailored to their strengths, weaknesses, and interests. Imagine software that can instantly grade assignments, freeing up teachers to spend more time giving individual feedback and fostering deeper connections with their students. This isn't some far-off futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. And while it's easy to get caught up in the hype, it's important to remember that AI in education is still in its early stages. There's a lot of potential, sure, but there are also a lot of challenges and ethical considerations to address along the way. So, what exactly can AI do in education? Well, for starters, imagine having access to a 24/7 tutor who never gets tired, never gets frustrated, and is always patient and encouraging. That's the promise of AI-powered tutoring systems, which can analyze student data, identify areas where they're struggling, and provide personalized support in real time. But wait, there's more. AI can also provide real-time feedback on assignments, helping students catch mistakes and improve their writing skills. It can even translate languages on the fly, breaking down barriers for ESL students and creating a more inclusive learning environment. And let's not forget about the potential of virtual classrooms and immersive learning experiences. Imagine attending a history class where you can interact with historical figures through avatars, or go on a virtual field trip to the Amazon rainforest, all from the comfort of your own home. The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing. Now, before we get too carried away with all the cool things AI can do, it's important to remember that even the most advanced algorithms have their limitations. While AI is great at analyzing data and identifying patterns, it still struggles with things like understanding emotional cues, inspiring creativity, and providing moral or ethical guidance. Sure, an AI can grade your grammar and syntax, but can it truly appreciate the nuances of your writing style or the depth of your ideas? Can it provide the kind of feedback that pushes you to think critically and challenge your own assumptions? And what about the importance of human connection in the learning process? Can an AI replicate the feeling of excitement you get when a teacher shares their passion for a subject, or the sense of accomplishment you feel when you finally grasp a difficult concept with their guidance? Here's the thing. The future of education isn't about choosing between humans or machines. It's about finding ways for humans and machines to work together, leveraging the strengths of both to create a more engaging, effective, and equitable learning experience for all. Think of it this way. AI can handle the tedious, time-consuming tasks like grading, data entry, and administrative work, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring, motivating, and mentoring their students. AI can provide personalized support and identify learning gaps, while teachers can provide the human touch, the emotional intelligence, and the critical thinking skills that are essential for success in the 21st century. It's like giving teachers a superpower, an AI sidekick that helps them level up their teaching game and create a more personalized and effective learning experience for every student. Chapter 5. A glimpse into the future classroom. So, what might this futuristic AI-powered classroom actually look like? Well, picture this. You walk into class, and instead of one teacher, there are two, a human teacher and an AI co-teacher. The AI co-teacher has already analyzed your learning data from the previous day and has prepared a personalized lesson plan tailored to your specific needs. Throughout the lesson, the AI co-teacher provides real-time feedback and support, while the human teacher guides the discussion, facilitates group activities, and provides individualized attention to students who need it. And when it's time for a field trip, forget about those stuffy old buses. Instead, you and your classmates put on your VR headsets and embark on a virtual adventure to the Great Wall of China or the bottom of the ocean. Chapter 6. So, will AI replace teachers? The short answer is probably not anytime soon. Look, AI is a powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. It can enhance and augment the learning experience, but it can't replace the human element that is so essential to education. Teachers don't just impart knowledge, they inspire curiosity, foster critical thinking, and help students develop the social-emotional skills they need to succeed in life. They create a sense of community in the classroom, provide a safe space for students to learn and grow, and offer guidance and support that extends far beyond the textbook. The future of education is not a battle between humans and machines. It's a collaboration, a partnership that leverages the strengths of both to create a richer, more engaging, and more equitable learning experience for all. Chapter 7. What do you think? So, what do you think? Are you excited about the possibilities of AI in education, or are you a little bit apprehensive? Would you prefer learning from an AI tutor or a real teacher, or maybe a combination of both? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Share your thoughts, your hopes, your fears, your wildest predictions for the future of learning. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking explorations of the intersection between technology, education, and the human experience. Outro: the future of learning. As we've seen, the future of education is a complex and ever-evolving landscape. But if there's one thing we can say for sure, it's that AI is here to stay. It's up to us, as educators, as students, as citizens of the world, to figure out how to best utilize this powerful tool to create a more equitable, engaging, and ultimately more human learning experience for all. Because at the end of the day, education isn't just about memorizing facts or passing exams, it's about igniting curiosity, fostering critical thinking, and empowering individuals to reach their full potential. It's about creating a more informed, more compassionate, and more connected world. And that, my friends, is a future worth striving for.